Hey everybody, Robbie Pruitt. Well, just a little while ago, 10 minutes ago to be exact, I went ahead and showed you guys how to get your soil sample ready, get it mixed up, get it stirred up into a slurry. All the instructions I have been telling you and explaining to you are all right here in this kit. It tells you all about it. So what we're going to do here, take one of our 4 strips we have here. We got 4 separate strips here. We do 4 different plots. I'm going to take this strip. I just want to stick it down in the slurry, kind of stir it around a little bit. It's going to kind of shake it off. Just get the wetness off of it. Now, when you do this, you want to go ahead and check this against the sheet. You don't want it sitting there for 5, 10, 15 minutes because it will change on you because of the pH in the air. So what we got here, we have a strip, as you can tell, from the yellow to kind of a greenish. And we're going to line up our color on what we think it is on here. So if I'm looking here, it looks like it's kind of in between, right almost in between that 6.5 to 7.0, which is exactly what I want. I want a 7.0. I'm a little light. I'd probably say I'm in that 6.8. With that, knowing me, I want to go out there and add some lime. You don't have to. That 6.8 is going to do very well for you. But it's as easy as that, guys. I mean, it takes 10 minutes to do it. Maybe 15 as in scooping walking around, getting your soil samples. Very, very simple and easy to do. And then on this chart, it's going to show you where you're at. As in, let's say you're at a 6.5 and you're wanting to raise it up to 7.0. It's going to tell you the amount of lime you need to raise it up to that desired level that you want. I hope this video helps you guys, but if I got one thing to say before I go here, the key thing to a pH test kit like we have, distilled water, guys. You have to use distilled water. So, happy planting this year. Need anything? You know where to find me.